see.
This thing is crazy. So this is another one of the cars that we're trying to get ready for Subi Fest. If you guys are Subaru fans, this is a new vehicle. And when I say this, I'm talking about the one that's pulling in right now. So once it gets in here, we'll show you guys. We'll show you guys. It's the Subaru Ascent. I've never seen it before. Looks really cool. It's a nice off-roadish vehicle. This one's particularly done up, has custom front and rear bumpers. It's gonna be interesting. This one's gotta be ready by Sunday for Subi Fest. If you guys are in the Southern California area and you're a Subaru fan, you know about Subi Fest. So this car will be there. We'll show you guys when it comes in. I think this is the tallest, the most lifted Subaru Ascent on the planet right now, and it's about to be the coolest. So we're doing a full camo wrap on it. It look really cool. Johnny's doing all the printing right now, so if you guys don't know, Johnnee Tsunami over here has a print shop also on the side. If you guys are looking for print work, make sure you DM him at Relic Print Co, right?
Yeah.
At Relic Print Co. Decals, he's always coming in clutch for us, so make sure you guys go check that out. But yeah, full camo wrap going down. Today in this video, you're seeing a lot of disassembly and a lot of tiredness, but I promise you guys, if you guys keep watching throughout the next couple days, you're gonna see these things progress, and they're gonna look really cool. And it's gonna look really cool. Sometimes I miss a word. You hear? Like, it's gonna look really cool.
Come out of there?
Oh.
That's a big
Oh.
So, we got the box. This is the magic box for this fancy car here. I'm gonna open it up.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we got the material for the Ascent in now. As you guys can see, it looks pretty sick. So if you guys ever need anything like this, just let me know. Hit up at Relic Print Co. We can get this situated and sent out to you guys wherever you guys are. I mean, just look how beautiful it is, how crispy everything looks. This Ascent is gonna look really sick.
How do you feel wrapping on printing?
It's not bad. It's easy. It's the same as like laying just colored in film, but you have to line panels up. So I guess it's gonna get a little bit more complex when it goes to matching the hood and the back door up and the bumpers, but no big deal.
Yo, what is that? It's Ascent.
I was like, I'm not allowed to look at it yet, not until the wheels are on.
So Ian here owns this guy out here. We've been working on this car the past probably a few days here. That's the Subaru Ascent. Is it Ascent?
Yeah, that's it.
Tires and wheels are here?
Yeah, they're in the front.
Nice. Oh, there they are. Dang.
So how long till you take this guy out in the road life?
Well,
Tomorrow.
fun story. What do you think I'm doing tonight? I'm just joking.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really liked this video. This car came out really amazing.
Wait. There's a few more things.
Yay.
Okay, all right, I'll get it started for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Ascent is done, and it was really cool to have a lot of you guys come up to us at SubiFest. If you guys were one of those people, thank you so much. It would really help us if you guys would actually share this video on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, anywhere that you guys also have friends that have Subarus or even the Ascent. Even though it's really new, it'd be awesome if you guys would share this video, so just grab the link and, you know, share it wherever. Also, all the products that you saw go onto this car, the taillights, the amber deletes, the everything that you saw that was extra at the end is all on our website and also available right now for anyone that also has an Ascent. So you can go grab that. On a quick side note, for all of you guys that actually watch the channel on a daily basis and try to keep up with what we're doing, even though there's so much going on. Yes, I'm talking to you, Jay Crum, Rachel Taylor. I know 3 cities, you're in there somewhere. But anyways, for all of you guys that watch on a daily basis, there's a lot going on. Really quick, first thing, Edwin's truck got in a crash. So if you guys would go blow up his Instagram and just, you know, his truck is a little banged up. So go give him some premium love. Then we also have the Jeep that you guys saw for just a second. We disassembled it, but it's also wrapped already. So you guys will see that video coming soon. You will also see the FRS being wrapped very soon. Those are all separate videos. And there's also a huge video for a SEMA build that is actually in the shop, like right there, but you can't really see it. But it's huge. This one's going to SEMA, and I'll give you a little hint, it's an exotic car. So if you think you know what it is, and if you watch our Insta stories, you might know, so comment below what you think that is. Anyways, that's it for this one, 200K subscriber giveaway. You guys already know that one is in every video. We're giving away a car wrap. All the details for that below. We're running a huge sale on merch right now. Everything that's left over, go ahead and grab that. There's a whole bunch of stuff on the site, and there's new lanyards. So that's about it for us. Catch you next time.